Hello and welcome to today's episode. I'm going to share my weight loss journey with you. If you want to lose weight or just be healthier, I hope my story helps you. A few months ago, I realized I had gained weight. My clothes felt tight. I decided to make a change. At first, it was difficult, but I learned that small steps make a big difference. The first thing I did was change my diet. I stopped eating too much junk food like chips and sweets. Instead, I ate more fruits, vegetables, and home-cooked meals. I also drank a lot of water. This helped me feel fresh and full. I started exercising. At first, I just walked for 30 minutes every day. Then, I added some light workouts at home. It was hard at first, but after a few weeks, I felt stronger and more active. Some days, I felt lazy and wanted to eat unhealthy food. But I reminded myself why I started. I kept going, and soon I saw changes. My clothes fit better, and I had more energy. After a few months, I lost weight and felt great. But more importantly, I became healthier. Now, I don't just focus on losing weight. I focus on being strong and feeling good. If you want to lose weight, don't rush. Take small steps, stay consistent, and don't give up. That's my story for today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next episode. Okay, bye.